My French toast brings all the kids to the table, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but you have to watch.
Harvey, let's get some French toast.
That's it. It's breakfast. We're making French toast today. I don't even know why they call it French toast. Apparently it's like a Roman invention, but the French brought it here to America. It doesn't matter, it's delicious. So for Dad's version of French toast, you have to get artisan bread. You have to fly to France and find a little French baker. He has to have a mustache. If he doesn't have a mustache, don't buy the bread. Nah, you don't need any of that. You don't need artisan bread. Nobody in their house normally has a whole loaf of bread that they can thick cut slices out of. So I'm giving you a French toast recipe with the stuff that you would have in the house. Maybe a dad toast. So all you need to do to pull off French toast is get yourself a couple slices of good bread. It doesn't have to even be good bread. You could use Wonder Bread if you want. And then you need eggs, and you need some sort of liquid, cream, milk, whole milk. I like to use heavy cream. It gives it a little bit of a nice texture to the French toast. And then, I use cinnamon and vanilla in my French toast for flavoring. Other than that, it's super simple. The other important thing you need for French toast, at least in my opinion, is get yourself one of these. It's a griddle. It's an electric griddle. This is the best thing I ever bought for breakfast game. I do pancakes on here, I do sausage on here, I do eggs on here after I'm done cooking French toast sometimes. This thing is great. It's non-stick, it cleans up in seconds, and you get like the perfect crust on your French toast.
Dad hack.
All right, here's something about French toast. You see this? Stick of butter. Everybody thinks you need this to make your French toast. You put your butter down on your griddle or your frying pan, and that's how you make your French toast. You know what you do with this butter if you're making French toast? That's what you do with it. You don't need butter for French toast. Butter melts and then gets brown, and it breaks down too fast on the high heat that you need to make French toast. What you need for French toast is oil. Use a little bit of vegetable oil, and I guarantee you will get better French toast than you've ever made using butter. Save the butter for when you put the French toast on the plate. Trust me on this. Guess what? Dad got French toast. This is how you make French toast at home, easy. Let's see. Perfectly browned crust. It's not soggy. It's a perfect texture. How would they say it in France? Très bon. I don't know. Is that French? Probably not. Muy bien. No, that's not it. I don't know. It's good.
For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.